Hello my YouTube friend, this is Nissan Mechanic here, and today I'm working on a 2010 Nissan Sentra, and what I'm going to be removing is the cabinet air filter, and it's located in the driver's side, and it's right here in this panel here. And what we're going to do is we're going to remove this panel. You can grab it in the bottom right here and put it slowly, and it comes out. Now the cabinet air filter is right here, this thing right here, this, and all you have to do is just pull this and it comes out. See it? Now your filter is right in there, and you can see somebody squashed this one right in there, so I gotta see how I'm gonna get it out, but they squashed it right in there. Ooh, and you want to get it. Oh my god, look at how dirty this thing is. See how dirty this thing is? This is what you breathe while you're driving. Look at how. So now I'm gonna put the new one in there. The hardest thing about this is putting it in because the pedal's in the way. So somehow you're gonna have to push the pedal down and put the filter right in there. Now you want the arrow to be pointing up, so it's that way. So somehow, gotta see how I do it without covering the camera. Okay. Push the pedal down and just start keep squeezing it in there, and there it goes. Push it in, and see how nice and neat it's in there. Before it was all squashed in there. So here you go. Then you take this bracket here, this plastic bracket, and this piece goes in the top and this one goes in the bottom. So all you have to do is just find the top and right in there, and you just squeeze it in, and you have replaced your cabinet air filter on your 2010 Nissan Sentra. Then you want to put the cover back. What you want to do is don't forget, you got a clip here that goes here. This clip and the clip in the bottom. 1, 2. Or you just push it in there like that. All you're gonna do is just squeeze it inside, and you have replaced your cabinet air filter on your 2010 Nissan Sentra. So once again, this is Nissan Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below, or contact me on nissanmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nissanmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Nissan Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.